All right, y'all. So just a really quick video. This is how you're going to use Google Classroom. So the first thing to look at is the stream right here. Whenever you click on the stream, you're going to see any announcements or any notifications. So here you're just seeing all the things that I put into the Google Classroom already. If I make announcements like, hey, there's no school on this day or the grades are due this day, this is where you'll see it right here in stream and it will just pop up right here. Right? Mine might look a little bit different than yours because I have the teacher version, but it's more or less the same thing. If you ever want to make a meeting with like a tutoring meeting on Friday, and you let me know ahead of time, and then we can set that up, or you have one with one of the math teachers, you just go right here to this little camera and just click, and then whenever you're ready to join, you just click join the call, and then you will be online with the teacher. Here, it's your microphone, so you turn that on if you need to, and your camera to turn that on if you need to do that. Right. And so that's how you would join a virtual call, like for tutoring or something like that. When you want to see what the assignments are or what announcements are, all your assignments are going to be through Admentum, but like videos and things like that, I put here. So for the first week, this is where you can log in. So if you want to log into Admentum, but you don't know how, you could just watch this video right here. You would just click on that. If you want to see, if you want to click on the link to Admentum, so if you actually want to start logging into Admentum, you would just click on that, and then it would take you here, and you would sign in through Google using your Excel account. Always use your Excel account, right? And then there's just things to help you here. You have resources from the success coaches, so you can see that, like see what kind of help they can offer you. Week one, it's important to read and sign the Edmentum syllabus, so you know basically like the guidelines for the class and how to be successful. And then here, y'all, depending on the subject, this is for an algebra class. But for a lot of the different classes, if there were videos that I had time to put in there, I put those in there, right? So if you're like completely lost with Edmentum, because it doesn't do a very good job of explaining things, sometimes you could just come in here and watch some of these videos. And a lot of them are YouTube videos, and they're not going to be perfect like with what you're doing, but they should be enough to kind of help you understand the problems and the assignments, right? So this is how you would navigate through the Google Classroom. And here again, you'll always see what your classroom is right here. And these 9 dots, anything that has to do with Google, you'll use these right here. But basically, you're going to be using the stream and the classwork to look at notifications and to like watch these videos and these resources that can help you. So this is how you use Google Classroom. And let me know if you have any questions. Remember, y'all can always message me through Admentum. That's probably the best way to reach me.